town as the climax keeps on wearing. My excitement ever grows. Not here, not there, I see you now, worry of the past. Not close, not close, not anything. You influenced how I thought on the banks of the Bower, where once you caught a trout, or the night we sat together, brothers united as one. There you gave me my first lesson on how to cope inside of a pride that still continues down the trodden path of life. Storm that caught the Power, where the candles were all lit, where I sat and listened